What if Earth had rings like Saturn? What if one morning you looked up and saw giant glowing rings arcing across the sky? Not a UFO invasion, not a glitch in the matrix, but Earth with rings like Saturn. It sounds like science fiction, but let's break it down. What would they look like? Could they even exist? And how would they completely change life on Earth as we know it? Let's explore what life would be like if Earth had rings like Saturn. Saturn's rings are made of ice, rock, and dust, tiny particles orbiting the planet in a flat disk. Now imagine a similar ring system around Earth. These rings wouldn't just float way out there, they'd orbit between 2000 and 8000 kilometers above the surface, much closer than the Moon. Depending on their size and angle, they could stretch across the sky in dazzling arcs. From the equator, they dominate the skyline like a permanent cosmic bridge. At night, they'd reflect sunlight and moonlight, creating bright, shimmering trails. You'd never look at the stars the same way again. Here's the wild part: what you see depends on where you are on Earth. At the equator, the rings would appear as massive symmetrical arcs crossing overhead. Go farther north or south, and they tilt and curve, changing shape based on your location. If you're near the poles, you might barely see them, just a thin glowing line across the sky. And during sunrise or sunset, the rings could cast shadows on the planet's surface. Imagine watching that shadow slowly drift across your city. Okay, but could Earth actually have rings like this? In theory, yes. If a moon or large asteroid came too close, inside something called the Roche limit, Earth's gravity could tear it apart. The debris would settle into orbit, forming rings over time. But it wouldn't be pretty. It would likely take a massive collision, one that could cause global extinction, to get rings like Saturn's. Some scientists even think Earth did have rings in the distant past, after the impact that created the moon. But rings aren't just pretty. They dramatically affect life on Earth. First, sunlight. The rings would block sunlight in some areas during certain seasons, kind of like a massive eclipse. This could cause cooler temperatures in some regions and mess with weather systems and ecosystems. Second, satellites and space travel. The rings would turn low Earth orbit into a danger zone. Thousands of tiny particles moving at thousands of kilometers per hour? Any satellite, rocket, or space station trying to pass through would be at constant risk of being destroyed. Say goodbye to GPS, communications satellites, or space tourism. What would the rings actually be made of? Likely a mix of rock, dust, and ice, just like Saturn's. If there's a lot of ice, they'd appear bright white or even rainbow colored depending on how the light hits them. If mostly rocky, they'd be darker, moodier, and spookier at night. The composition would also affect how long they last. Icy rings may eventually fall into the atmosphere or form new moons. Now imagine this: what if Earth had always had rings? How would that change our culture, our myths, our art? Rings in the sky could have shaped religions, inspired different calendar systems, or even driven the invention of astronomy earlier. Imagine flags with rings instead of stars. Or ancient legends about sky bridges connecting worlds. So, what if Earth had rings like Saturn? It would be beautiful, dangerous, and completely transformative. A sky like no other, but a planet forever changed. Would you want to live on a ringed Earth? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you liked this video, ring that bell for more cosmic what ifs.